Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now, I really love using Google Chrome. And as you can see here, I have Google Chrome on my PC. I'm using it in one browser here. I have another one here, another one here. So I use it really a lot. And if you have a new computer and or freshly installed Windows on your computer and you don't have Google Chrome, you can easily get this installed by using alternative browsers. And if you're using a Windows computer, then you have, for example, Edge or Internet Explorer, if you can find it there. So just go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or a laptop and go ahead and search for Edge. Right, you should find Edge on your computer and you can open that. If you're not able to find Edge and you're using a really old computer, then you can find Internet Explorer. Right, you can search that and you'll be able to find the old good and old Internet Explorer. Right, so you should be able to at least find Edge if you're using at least not one of the oldest computer. Right, so you can type in Edge. And once you open up this Edge on your computer, you're going to be able to use this browser to search for Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just simple type in Chrome download and you will find it here. So it's going to take you over to the Google search and you'll find download. And here you can see it says download and install Chrome. You can scroll on, you'll find many ways showing an Edge that you can download Chrome. So go ahead and click Chrome download and you can see right here that is gives you the option, right? So here you can say, for example, Windows, you expand that and here it says installation file. Or, if you're using Windows 10 and up, you can even set it as your own browser and you can even do the installation right here. So go ahead and choose, for example, installation file. Once you do that, you're going to be taken over to this page where you can simply download Chrome. So click on that here, this big blue button there, and you can see right here that is going to ask me to save. I'm going to say yep, or I'm going to say open. I'm going to just say save, and it's going to download Google Chrome exe for me. And if I open up my file explorer again, you can see that I have the exe file here of the application to install on my computer. So all I have to do is go ahead and install this, double click and run this and install Google Chrome on my computer. And then once that is done, I will have Google Chrome on my PC. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.